Okay, here's how you can create a quiz with random questions. You start out going to Assessments, Quizzes. Then you click on Question Library. So we're creating a new section first. And that section's I'm going to call it Sample Quiz. And then save it. Okay, now I'm going to go down and find that sample quiz. It's way at the bottom. It's right below quiz 7. You don't see it on the screen, but I click on it on the left. And now new multiple choice question or whatever. I'm going to do multiple choice question. And I call this first question question 1, 1. And it'll just be 2 plus 2 equals. And for answers, 4, 3, 5, 6. One of them is the correct answer. Now, as far as options, you can also have custom weights, 100%, 0%, 0. 0 is what you normally do. You should click on Randomize, and however many points you want that question to be, I'm going to make it 2 points. Now, to make my second version, rather than just save, I'm going to click Save and Copy. Now, I just change 1, 1 to 1, 2. I'll change this to 2 plus 3, and that's going to be my third answer. Now I save. I'm going to make one more version. Save and copy now to make one more version, and this will be 3 plus 3. So 6. And save. So now that's one question. Question 1. I'm going to do question 2. And in the description, question 2, 1, first version, 8 times 2 equals. Okay, 16, 10, 14, 12. I'm going to randomize again. 2 points. Save and copy. Question 2, 2. 5 times 2. Now that's going to be answer 10. Save and copy. Question 2, 3. 4 times 2, 8. My correct answer. And then finally save. So now I have 2 questions worth. And each question has 3 different random possibilities. Okay, now to set up this quiz, we go back to the assessment menu, quizzes, and we're going to want a new quiz. I click on new quiz. I'll just call it sample quiz 2 because I have another sample quiz I already did. And then add edit questions, and our questions are going to be from the question pool. So we select question pool, and then I want a title. I'm going to call it question 1, and now browse question library, I go all the way down to that sample quiz that I created the questions for. And now for question 1, I choose these 3. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, add, and I'm going to choose 1 from those 3 possible questions. And then save. Then new again, and I'm going to do the second question. Question pool. Question 2. Browse again. And here it's already, it won't let me pick those first 3 because I already picked them. So I picked the last 3, which were for the second question. I'm choosing 1 out of the 3, 2 points per question, save. And that's it. And then I hit over on the right side, I'll show you where that is. Done editing questions. You have to click that. And then save and close. So my quiz is created. And it's down here, and you can even preview it and take a look at it. Start the quiz. And there it is. It's randomly chosen a question and submit. Okay, there's some other things that you will want to do with your quizzes. You click on your quiz and then you see all these menu items here. Properties, paging. I don't think paging is an issue because we're setting up questions randomly. It's just to prevent cheating. Questions per page, yeah, I don't worry about that. But restrictions is important. That allows you to have a start date, an end date, so you could have a due date and the quiz could close, or just have a start date, make it available, or have it available from the beginning of the semester to the end, whatever you want. One important one that I use a lot is assessment. And this, if you set up a grade item for this quiz, it allows you to export grades directly to that grade item. So it automatically will grade your quiz, which is a really nice feature. And I use that quite a bit. There's other things too, as submission views, report setup. For these other items, you could either go to D2L.com support or find someone at Lake Superior College that can help you with D2L items. And there are people that can help, although they might be a bit bogged down now. So that's all for this video. Hope it helps.